Hi, some time ago I bought on eBay a watch without the bezel. This is a new Universal Geneve with a great movement. As an internet explorer, I decided that it would be easy to buy a watch bezel, and months have passed. So I tried a different approach and I ordered a metal ring used as a metal gasket in tractors. This ring is made of copper, which is a nice surface for gold plating. I decided to make a watch bezel by myself at home without a lathe or any other professional stuff for metalworking. To be honest, in my hobby workshop I have some watchmaker tools for watch restoration, but not for serious metalworking. So buying some kind of base like this ring for tractor might be not so crazy idea. Let's try if the ring fits without any adjustments. No, but it is quite close, so I need to adjust the ring inner diameter and polish the ring. Then I can cover the ring with some gold. As I mentioned before, I don't have special tools for serious metalworking, but I have this electro-plating pen. I need to polish and adjust the size of the ring, and then I can use this electro-plating pen. Black cable has to be attached to the ring and the red pen has to be dipped in the gold plating solution. I'm starting to adjust the ring to become the watch bezel. The high-speed sander was a bad choice for this job. I need to replace it with something not so fast rotating. A simple drill could be a good solution. I would like to achieve a high quality look. There is no room for imperfection. Okay, I know, copper is quite soft, but gold is also quite soft. Something more about this Universal Geneve watch. Universal is an excellent Swiss brand. This particular model has ETA 2892 movement. This is not an in-house movement, but still, it is a premium stock movement. The original bezel was made of gold, but it is really hard to buy an original item with this bezel. What will be my method of polishing and adjusting the size? I start by smoothing the surface of the ring. This part of processing took about 10 minutes. Also use a diamond file at the angle to the plane of the ring. Let's speed up those 10 minutes. It looks better, but it is centrally not a high quality look yet. I changed the file to a very fine sandpaper. Let's speed up those several minutes. Now it looks much better. We are close to the really good quality. Now I can compare the original metal gasket for the tractor with the watch bezel being built. The watch bezel is definitely smoother. Let's see if it fits. Unfortunately not, because the inner diameter is a bit too small, but we are very close to the correct size. I stick the ring to a strong double-sided tape. Now I use sandpaper to slightly increase the inner diameter. Let's speed up this several times. I have to take care of high quality, so just in case I gently polish the surface again. Let's see if it fits now. Yes, the tractor ring became a watch bezel. Now it's time for this electro-plating pen and for gold plating solution. I don't have a professional air extractor at home, but I have increased the airflow and I put on safety glasses as the fumes can be dangerous. I wear safety glasses the entire time I shoot this video. It is important to have some water just in case of accidentally touching the gold solution. I use a very small amount of gold solution, but even in this case, ventilation should be provided. I choose a voltage about 6-7 volts. The gold solution has a specification to which works, but a lot also depends on the surface. So sometimes you just need to see which settings works best. A gold start appearing on the surface. Before this process has started, I had cleaned the ring surface with isopropanol solution to remove all fat which affects gold plating. After some time, the solution no longer contains gold, so I use a cotton bud to remove excess liquid if there is any excess left. I repeat this step several times. I put the gold solution in the jar to avoid accidentally overturning of the thin container. The ring is already gaining a gold color. On the other side we have ordinary copper. Here you can see what voltage I use during this process. It is, as I said before, 6-7 volts. The amperage will appear when the ring touches the pen platter, so it now shows 0. Let's take a closer look at how the gold solution is distributed over the surface of the ring. At this point the ring was already golden in color. For now the applied gold is matte, but in the next stages we will get a shiny surface. The ring is almost ready. We can compare it with the metal base I used. The differences is significant. Now they are only connected by a round shape. You may also notice a small but significant difference in diameter. The ring has nicely rounded edges on the outside, although we still have to obtain a shiny surface. To get the final effect, I use polishing cloths for fine metals. You are about to see it exactly. The result is better than I expected. The color is amazing, although I still cover it with a cloth. To protect gold layer, you can use special varnish. I don't have it at the moment, and I will skip this step, but it is worth considering in the future. This is the final result of the operation of changing the tractor part into a watch bezel. I think it's pretty good, although only after installation we will see if it made sense. I have yet to push the ring back into place. I sanded the surface so that you would have to use force to do it. I was also wondering whether to heat the ring in the fires of Mordor to enlarge its diameter and then put it on the watch case, but in the end it is enough to press it in this version of the ring. It was one of the fastest watch restorations, as I didn't have to do anything inside. For me, however, the challenge was to choose such tools and devices that I could do it at home in my hobby workshop. This part of the video was shot 10 months after the watch bezel was made. The bezel still looks good in my opinion. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to put a comment. You can click subscribe anytime you want. And see you next time.